Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 24. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row now, we're only missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. No help here. 4, 7, 9. 7 and 9 here. So this is our 4. No help here. So 7, 9. We can get rid of that 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 7. Got the 6 here, so 2, 4, 7, 6 and 4 here, so 2, 7. 4 covering both of these boxes. 6 here, so 2, 7. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. The only place the 4 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5, 9. 9 here, so 2, 5, 8. 5 here, so 2, 8, 9. 5 and 8 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes. So 2, 5, 7. 4 and 5 here, so 2, 7. 7 covering these two boxes. 4 here, so 2, 5. 5 and 7 here, so 2, 4. If we look, the only place our 4 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 3, 6. 3 here, so 2, 6, 8. 6 here, 2, 3, 8. 3 and 8 here, so 2, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. No help here. 2, 3, 7. 3 and 7 here. Makes this our 2, 3, 7. This 2 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6 and the 6. That 3 makes this our 5, 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 5. So now we can get rid of this 5. And it looks like now for this column, the only place the 5 can be is here. right. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 1, 9, 1, 9. That means our 4 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. So 3, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 9. No help here. 1, 2, 3, 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3 here. So 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, 9. We've got a 4 here. So 1, 6, 9. 4, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 1. No other help here. 4, 6, 9. But that 1 makes this our 9, 1. That 1 and that 9 makes this our 6 and 4. So now we can get rid of these 1s. The 7 makes this our 2, 9, 8, 7. We can get rid of this 9. That 7 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 7. That 8 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 3. That 2 makes this our 9. That 2 makes this our 3. 2. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1, 6 here, so 8 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.